Class 9B and my friend Akshay Kishore of 9C are conducting quiz based on EBSP, Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, in connection with Uttarakhand.
This quiz is divided into two parts and there are total of 12 questions. In the first part, the questions will be asked house-wise and each house will be asked 2 questions, total 8 questions. And in the second part, which consists of total 4 questions, are open for all the houses.
Now it's time to start with the first part of the quiz. My first question is for Shivaji House, which is Blue House. Which language is the word Uttarakhand derived from? I repeat the question, which language is the word Uttarakhand derived from? Well, the answer is Sanskrit.
My second question to Shivaji House is, what is the winter capital of Uttarakhand? I will repeat the question. What is the winter capital of Uttarakhand? Well, the correct answer is Dehradun.
The next question is for Tagore House, which is the Green House. What is the meaning of the word Uttarakhand? Can you please repeat it? Well, the answer is correct.
My second question
Give
is
the
Tagore
answer
House.
also. Give.
The answer is Uttar ka Bharat.
My second question is Tagore House is, what is the summer capital of Uttarakhand? I may repeat the question. What is the summer capital of Uttarakhand? Well, the correct answer is Gairsang.
The next question is for Ashoka House, which is the Red House. What was Uttarakhand formerly known as?
The land of God. The land of God.
Well, you are wrong. The answer is Uttaranchal.
My second question to Ashoka House is, which place in Uttarakhand is also known as Small Kashmir? Well, your answer is correct. It's Pithoragarh.
The next question is for Ravi Verma House, which is the Yellow House. Which political party gave the name Uttaranchal? I repeat the question, which political party gave the name Uttaranchal? Well, the answer is Bharatiya Janata Party.
My second question to Ravi Verma House is, which is the UNESCO World Heritage Site in Uttarakhand? I may repeat the question, which is the UNESCO World Heritage Site in Uttarakhand? Well, the correct answer is Nanda Devi and Valley of Flowers National Park. Now starting with the second part of the quiz, and the questions are open for all the houses.
The question is, which president signed the bill passed by the parliament for renaming Uttaranchal to Uttarakhand? I repeat the question, which president signed the bill passed by the parliament for renaming Uttaranchal to Uttarakhand? The answer is APJ Abdul Kalam. The next question is, when was Uttaranchal carved out of Uttar Pradesh? Well, you're wrong, but the answer is November 9, 2000. Next question, when was Uttaranchal renamed Uttarakhand? I repeat the question, when was Uttaranchal renamed Uttarakhand?
1998.
The answer is 1 January 2007. Next question, which is the 27th state of India? I repeat the question, which is the 27th state of India?
Telangana.
The answer is Uttarakhand. Next question, during which period did the Uttarakhand region was consolidated under the Garhwal kingdom in the west and the Kumang kingdom in the east?
Repeat the question.
Can you repeat?
Repeat the question.
During which period did the Uttarakhand region was consolidated under the Garhwal kingdom in the west and the Kumang kingdom in the east? The answer is medieval period.
Thank you.